Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're like me, you absolutely love makeup and skincare, but let's be real, that love can get expensive fast. It feels like every time we turn around, there's a new must-have product dropping. But what if I told you that you can build an amazing beauty collection, try new things, and still have money left over for, things like rent and avocado toast? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I am sharing all my best tips and tricks on how to save some serious cash on makeup and beauty products without sacrificing quality or fun. So grab a notebook and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the most powerful tool in your money-saving arsenal, your own collection. Before you even think about buying something new, you need to shop your stash. I know, it sounds simple, but how many of us are actually doing it? Go through your drawers, your makeup bags, that one forgotten cabinet under the sink. I guarantee you'll find some hidden gems. You might rediscover a lipstick you used to love or find an eyeshadow palette that has barely been touched. Challenge yourself to create a new look using only what you already own. You'll be amazed at what you can come up with, and it stops you from buying a duplicate of that terracotta blush you already have 3 of. It's a great way to appreciate what you have and get creative. My next big tip is to embrace the art of the sample. Never, ever be shy about asking for samples. Whether you're at a department store counter or a specialty beauty shop, most places are happy to give you a small pot of foundation, a spritz of a new fragrance, or a little packet of a serum. This is a complete game changer, especially for expensive products like foundations or high-end skincare. Instead of dropping a huge amount of money on a full-size product only to find out it oxidizes on you or breaks you out, you can test it for a few days completely free. This has saved me hundreds of dollars over the years. It's the ultimate try before you buy strategy. So next time you're browsing, just ask politely. The worst they can say is no. And the best case scenario is you find your new holy grail without spending a dime. Okay, let's talk about dupes. The word dupe, which is short for duplicate, gets thrown around a lot, but finding a good one is like striking gold. High-end brands do incredible marketing, but often, the actual formula of a product isn't that unique. There are so many amazing, affordable brands out there that create fantastic products that perform just as well, if not better, than their luxury counterparts. How do you find these dupes? The internet is your best friend. A quick search on YouTube or a beauty blog for dupe for insert expensive product name will give you tons of options. I've found incredible alternatives for high-end foundations, concealers, liquid lipsticks, and even eyeshadow palettes. This isn't about shaming expensive brands. It's about being a smart consumer. You're paying for performance, not just a fancy logo. Now, let's get strategic with our shopping. One of my golden rules is to never pay full price. Seriously, almost every brand has sales, you just have to know when to look. Sign up for the email newsletters of your favorite brands and retailers. Yes, it can clog your inbox, but you can create a separate email address just for this. This way, you'll be the first to know about their seasonal sales, friends and family events, and special promotions. Black Friday and the end-of-year holidays are obviously huge for beauty deals, but many brands also have sales around other holidays or even just randomly throughout the year. Patience is key. If there's a pricey item you've been eyeing, add it to your wish list and wait. Chances are, it will go on sale within a few months, and you can snag it for 20, 30, or even 50% off. The satisfaction of getting a deal is almost as good as the product itself. Another major money saver is understanding multi-purpose products. Why buy a separate cream blush, a lip tint, and a cream eyeshadow when you can find one product that does all 3? A shimmery champagne eyeshadow can double as a stunning highlighter. A brown brow pencil can also be used as an eyeliner for a soft, smoky look. Your conditioner can work as a shaving cream in a pinch. Thinking this way not only saves you money but also declutters your makeup bag, which is a huge bonus for travel. Brands are catching on, too, and creating more products specifically designed to be versatile. Look for lip and cheek sticks, multi-use pigment pots, and versatile palettes. It's all about making your products work harder for you. Before you buy something new, ask yourself, Can something I already own do this job? Let's talk about loyalty programs and rewards points. If you shop at certain stores frequently, like Ulta or Sephora, not signing up for their free rewards program is like leaving free money on the table. Every purchase you make earns you points that you can later redeem for discounts or even free full-size products. These programs often come with other perks, like a free birthday gift every year, early access to sales, and exclusive offers. It might seem like a slow process to accumulate points, but they add up faster than you think, especially if you plan your bigger purchases around bonus point events. These programs are designed to reward you for your loyalty, so you might as well take advantage of them. Just remember, the goal is to save money, so don't spend extra just to get points. Use it as a bonus for the purchases you were already going to make. This next tip might be a little controversial, but hear me out. Stop buying full-size versions of everything, especially products you don't use every day. I'm looking at you, bright blue mascara and glitter eyeliner. The travel size or mini size section is your best friend. Minis are perfect for several reasons. First, they are much cheaper, allowing you to try a product without a big financial commitment. Second, most of us never even finish a full-size product like a mascara or a lipstick before it expires anyway. Think about it, mascara should be replaced every 3 months for hygiene reasons. Do you ever actually finish a full tube in that time? Probably not. Buying the mini version ensures you use it up while it's still fresh, reducing waste and saving you money. It is the perfect way to indulge in a trend or try a high-end product without the full-size price tag. Okay, let's switch gears to skincare for a moment. Skincare can be one of the most expensive categories in beauty, with serums and creams costing a small fortune. My advice here is to focus your budget on the actives. Active ingredients are the powerhouse components that actually create change in your skin, like vitamin C, retinol, hyaluronic acid, and chemical exfoliants like glycolic acid. You can find incredibly effective and affordable products with these ingredients from brands that focus on formulation over fancy packaging. Where can you save? On the basics. A gentle cleanser just needs to clean your face without stripping it, and a basic moisturizer just needs to hydrate and protect your skin barrier. You do not need a $70 cleanser or a $100 basic moisturizer. Spend your money on a high-quality serum that targets your specific concerns, and save your money on the supporting cast like cleansers and simple moisturizers. Your wallet and your skin will thank you. My final tip is to make the most of what you buy. Don't let a single drop go to waste. When your favorite lotion or foundation seems empty, cut the tube open. You will be shocked at how much product is still stuck to the sides, often enough for another week or two of use. You can buy tiny cosmetic spatulas online that are designed specifically to get every last bit out of a bottle. If an eyeshadow or pressed powder shatters, don't throw it away. Crush it up completely, put it in a small container, and use it as a loose pigment. Or, you can add a few drops of rubbing alcohol, press it back into the pan with a paper towel, and let it dry. It will be good as new. Being mindful of waste isn't just good for the environment. It's fantastic for your budget because it extends the life of every single product you purchase. So there you have it, my top tips for being a beauty lover on a budget. It's all about being a smart, intentional consumer. Shop your stash. Get those samples. Find amazing dupes. Wait for sales. Use multi-purpose products. Join loyalty programs. Embrace minis. Prioritize your skincare spending, and use every last drop. You can absolutely enjoy all the fun and creativity of makeup and beauty without breaking the bank. I hope these tips were helpful for you. What are some of your favorite ways to save money on beauty? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.